Dana Denha, and this is Art Fair Close-Up 2018. I'm here with Sompit, and he's got some very unique artwork. Can you tell me about what you're creating here and how you're creating it?
I'm a retired aerospace engineer. I work for Boeing. I was the project engineer. So every time I have to make example first and then design, So people ask me to do some airplane. So I use the stainless steel make the F-15. They say, oh, good. After retired, my friend come to me. Say, he can continue to do it. With what material? They use can. Oh, it's okay. I use computer design. I use real blueprint. I use computer design.
Oh, to make the actual animals and airplanes.
So my things exactly on scale.
Okay, so they're perfect to scale, just like smaller.
Yeah.
So do you have specific cans that you like to use, or it's anything you can find? Do you ever have like some unique?
In the fair, I can find any kind of can.
Yeah.
People trying to throw it away, I got it.
Is it hard to manipulate the aluminum when it's already formed into a can?
It's very easy, just a little bit harder than the paper.
Oh, really?
This is not steel.
How long does it take you to make, like, let's say one of these airplanes, because that's like one of your bigger pieces?
Need 1.5 days.
Okay, so it's not too bad. It doesn't take you too long.
Not easy, not easy.
Yeah, well, I don't think it looks easy, but they're very unique. Like, I haven't seen anything like it before.
Oh, yeah, because people cannot do. Some people buy 7 from me. They can make it. They said one way can make one. How can I sell it? They cannot sell it. I use the real aerospace technique to do it.
Yeah. So you're using your background to create your artwork now.
I design a lot of special tooling, so it's more easy for me. For normal people, not easy. Too small, you want to make good. How can bend it?
Do you have a favorite subject matter that you like to create?
Oh, I like the World War II airplane.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is beautiful.
How did you get into making sort of animals and things like that?
Animals is my wife's idea. Because now the economy not good, they cannot sell too high. My wife gave me says, hey, make a cheap animal.
Oh, yeah.
My wife is very smart.
Yeah, she is. It's a great idea. And you can make a lot of these smaller pieces.
Yeah. You see the hummingbirds are $10.
Yeah, the hummingbirds are awesome. They look like they look great outside because the way their wings are flapping.
Yeah.
Do you have a website or anything people can go to?
I have a website, yeah.
What is it?
Honey, what website? Yeah, okay.
So it's candoplanes.com, and they can see all your work that you're making there and what you're up to.
Anyway, I can make it people. If the customer they have their own can, they ship it to me. I can make it for them.
Oh, so you're doing commission work as well.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, congratulations on such great artwork.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more from the Ann Arbor Art Fairs.